If you manage social media management business, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to build an AI WhatsApp chatbot for your social media management business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding content, post, feed, updates and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where AI assistant make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a AI chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow for social media management powered by OpenAI. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using AI Assistant on Pabbly Chatflow. This will solve my customer inquiry, issue and request. And first, let me show you its proper working. For that, I will open WhatsApp web and over here, I will type a message which says I need help. And here I got a response that, of course, I am here to help. What do you need assist with? Now over here, I will enter my query as I have entered my question, which was, can you help increase my followers? So that they have responded me with a message that says, absolutely, we will use both organic and paid strategies to help grow your followers, focusing on reaching relevant and engaging audience. Would you like to know more about specific strategies or serve we offer? I will respond to this message with yes, please. So yes, as you can see, they have responded me with a message in which they provided all the strategies that I can use to increase my followers, like content creation, hashtag research, engagement, contest, giveaway, ad campaign, analytic and reposting. With that, I'm going to ask one more question to them. How frequently will you post on social media account? So with that, they have responded me, post frequently typically range from 3 to 7 times a week depending on your choice, packages and goal. We can customize this based on your audience, engagement and content strategies. Would you like to discuss your specific need or preference? So yes, as you can see, this AI chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better and engaging. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of AI chatbot. If you want to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. Now, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building this AI chatbot. For that, you need to click on AI Assistant and you will be landed on this page. Here, you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer question and solve problem. It will also be engaging and effortless. To create an AI assistant, you need to click on Add AI Assistant and you need to name your AI assistant. As we are making this AI assistant for social media marketing, I will name it accordingly and add my AI assistant. Now my AI assistant is added over here. After that, I need to select my AI instruction. As we are making this AI chatbot for AI assistant, I will select my instruction type as AI assistant. As soon as I have selected my instruction type, they have provided me instruction for how the AI assistant should be responding to the user, including key information like audience purpose and style to customize the assistant. Below that, there is AI configuration in which they are asking me about the temperature, where 0 means more focus and 1 means more creative. This will create an AI answer accordingly. I'm going to keep it as 0.7 to make it more creative. Now I'm going to choose the AI model that will provide, respond or generate the response. I'm going to use my AI model as OpenAI, and after that my model is going to be selected over here. I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o Mini, which is a cost-effective model. Now I'm going to enter my API token. For API token, you need to visit OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you will need to enter over here. As I already have my API token, I'm just going to connect my API. As you can see, I got a message that Open API key saved successfully. After that, I'm going to enter my fallback message, which will be responded when my AI assistant API is not responding correctly. Like this, where I have mentioned that, sorry, I did not catch that. I can help with social media strategy, content creation, ad, influence marketing, and more. Try asking something like, do you offer Instagram ad or can you manage my social media? If you need help, feel free to email us at social@socialspearstrategy.com. We will happy to assist you. Now, as we are done with our AI assistant, I will move to knowledge source. Over here, I need to upload my knowledge source according to which my AI chatbot going to respond to my customer. I'm going to drag it top over here and my file is uploaded successfully, as you can see. After that, I will move to assistant interface. Here, I need to give my brand name, which is going to be appear over here. I have entered my brand name as social media marketing. As you can see, it appear over here. After that, I need to put header display as it provide, we are online and happy to assist you. I will keep it as it is. Below that, we need to enter our initial message which says, hi there, how can I help you today? I'm going to keep it as it is. Below that, you can enable or disable the label that is showing over here. If you select disable, it is not going to be showed. I'm going to select as enable as I don't have any issue with that. Now you need to put folder text and folder link of your private policies. Below that, you need to enter a message that your customer could put as an initial or trigger message. As I have entered my message like I need help, I will keep it as it is. After assistant interface, you can select the style like the theme mode, assistant shape, background, color, text, WhatsApp button color, profile picture, assistant profile picture, background picture and everything. I will keep it as it is. Now as I am done setting my AI chatbot onto my last step, don't forget to active your flow and save your AI assistant. As you can see, I got a message that AI assistant saved successfully. That means it is ready to work in real time. And now one more time, let me show you it's real time working. And for that, again, I need to open WhatsApp web. And here I will type my key message as I need help. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they responded me, I am here to help. What specific assistance do you need? Let me know. How can I support you? So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is working successfully. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.